So here's my latest art project. All of these cotton candy colors coming together to create this stunning masterpiece. Stay tuned if you want to see how I created this look. Here are the 8 colors I used for this custom color blend. I was really going for something fun, girly, and feminine. Starting from left to right, we have this cotton candy pink. Then we have this beautiful bleach blonde color. Next, I decided to add this lavender color, super pretty. I'm not sure why I skipped the Nantucket pink, but we have this periwinkle blue color going on. Next, I have this charcoal gray color and this slate blue, which is really like a charcoal gray meets a blue. And then next I have this silver color. So this periwinkle blue and this silver color are super similar in color because that silver has a tinge of blue in it. But also this bubblegum pink and this Nantucket pink are super close in color, but super different. So what we have here is an analogous color scheme. These are 3 colors next to each other on the color wheel. So that would be the pink, the purple, and the blue. Since these 3 colors are super unnatural, I will be blending them up with the gray to bring some balance. So first off, I'm going to be blending the lavender, the periwinkle blue, and the dark charcoal gray together. Let's see how this pans out. This blue and this purple were made for each other. They melt together effortlessly. Look at that end result. Simply gorgeous. Next, I'm going to mix the pale gray silver color, the Nantucket pink, and the periwinkle blue together. This literally looks like cotton candy to me. We're mixing my childhood right now. And voila, here is the color. Honestly, I wasn't really the biggest fan of this color because you can see the clear color jump from blue to pink. And you can tell that purple's missing from this blend, but that's what we want. Finally, I'm blending the Nantucket pink, the lavender, and the charcoal gray color together. Pink and purple will forever be a winning match. Like literally, it doesn't matter the shade. I just find that it always works together. Not too much to worry about here. So the final results, stunning, duh. Very unicorn, very fairy tale, very magical, very princess vibes. So here are the 6 blends using the 8 colors I showed you at the beginning of this video. Look how ethereal and dreamy they are. Very cutesy lollipop girly rainbow. Here are some close-up shots of all the blends so you can really grasp the depth of all the colors. And here are the colors side by side. Yes, I cheated. I added some dirty blonde to only one of the blends, okay? Just one. I'm sorry I couldn't help myself. I just get super trigger happy when it comes to my art projects. Okay, let's go get this hair done. So, yes, this is the final results. I am quite happy with it. I do feel that it is giving cotton candy, but if you feel like you could perhaps give this look a nicer name, feel free to drop a comment down in the comment section box below. I honestly love everything about this blend. It's so light. It's so flirty and fun and girly. And we're playing on colors that typically go well together. We got the really, really light lilac and the lavender with the powder blue or periwinkle blue. And then with that Nantucket pink, everything kind of just blended seamlessly together just based on those three colors alone. That like baby girly flirty fun color. And since I blended it with gray, I felt that that would really mellow out the colors that I was going for. And you know what? I think it was a complete success. I really do. I think I nailed this look, despite the fact that a great deal of my dark hair is showing. I mean, what can I really do? There's only so much you can tuck away. You know what I mean? I feel like this style is so unique. I consistently get compliments on my hair. There's really like not a day that goes by where someone's not, you know, enamored with how many colors I have in my hair or how I got it done. And then, you know, I'll just casually direct them to my YouTube channel because, you know, your girl's famous. Oh my god, I said that out loud. I'm just playing, you know. Sometimes I got a big ego. I probably should edit this out, but I won't, cause who gonna check me, boo? Anyways, if you think this look was a success or a fail, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, a thumbs down, whatever you want. It helps the algorithm, and I would appreciate it a great deal. Also, if you have any suggestions about color combinations that you think will look really nice on me, I'm always open to suggestion. Even if it's for my short videos, we could just play around with some colors and see what we come up with. Lavender and lilac really was the staple color for this look. It was the foundational color for this look, so it can be found in every single blend that I use from the bottom to the top. If I could go ahead and do this look all over again, I would probably put the lilac meets light blue closer to the top of my hair since it's the darkest. I don't know why. I thought I should put that at the bottom and then work my way down to the pink at the bottom. Rather than having it go from blue to pink to purple, maybe have it go from purple to blue to pink. Anyways, you live, you learn, you explore, you find out, and you grow, and you evolve. Now I'm just going to show you my hair layer by layer so you can see how the colors build on each other. It is super subtle, super subtle, but you can tell that the colors change slightly. Today's inspirational quote for this video is, "You can have anything you want in this life if you dress for it," and that's by Edith Head. I hope this helps. I hope this video inspired you to jump outside your comfort zone and try something new. I just want to say thank you to everyone for watching. I really appreciate everyone's love and support. Thank you for sticking tuned and staying and watching my videos for this long. I really appreciate you watching my videos, liking, sharing, subscribing. It means the world to me. Thank you so much. There's more to come, I promise. We're going to be going through as many colors as possible and coming up with different ways to make different schemes and ombres and schematics and different looks. Like maybe one day I'll do half one thing and half another thing and they're both layered ombre. Like, we never know. It's really kind of up in the air. I really appreciate you for coming with me on this creative journey because I just, this excites me. I'm super excited to see what I can come up with next. So, thank you for watching. Once again, please like, share, subscribe, send this to your girlfriend if she wants to try something new. Just make sure you hashtag Mystique Braids because that's what we're calling this now. It's so mystical, so magical, so ethereally beautiful. Anyways, bye!